Hi, I'm Celestial Cindy from CelestialCindy.com, and this YouTube video is a 1 month update, 1 month review video of the SquirrelBuster Plus bird feeder. So I bought the SquirrelBuster Plus about 1 month ago, and I think I got it at the end of September, and now it is the end of October. So we've owned the SquirrelBuster Plus for 1 month now, and today is the first day we finally got the bird visitors visiting our bird feeder. I remember I was so excited when I opened up the SquirrelBuster Plus, and I've been watching the SquirrelBuster Plus every day for a long time. And so dreams come true. We finally got the bird visitors at the SquirrelBuster Plus and the SquirrelBuster Suet. So I'm gonna post some videos after this video that I recorded this morning of the birds visiting our SquirrelBuster Plus and our SquirrelBuster Suet. Oh my gosh, I'm half asleep. I just now woke up, but the birds finally came. I can't believe the birds came. I think I saw like a little fluffy downy woodpecker. Oh my gosh, and I think that might be like a chickadee. Wow, I can't believe the birds came. The birds finally came. Okay, I see the chickadee again. The chickadee is out there. It's the chickadee. Oh, it's two chickadees. I think the birds just now discovered the bird feeders today. Yeah, I think they just now discovered the SquirrelBuster Plus and SquirrelBuster Suet. I'm so excited. It took 1 month for the birds to find the SquirrelBuster Plus and the SquirrelBuster Suet. So after 1 month, we finally got, like, I've seen 3 birds just now. What bird is that? Chickadee? It flew away. I see a little bird. That's my little bird. So cute. He just woke up. Does he see the birds? Oh, there's a bird. Where's the little birds too? Oh, I saw one flying. I see the bird. It came back. Where's the little birds? Are they gonna come back? Where's the, oh, there's the chickadee. Does he like the little birds? Hey! Is he looking for the birds? Are you looking for birds, everyone? That's our little bird. Hey. He's smiling. I wonder if he can see the little birds. I think they can hear, because when they hear us, they fly away. That's our little bird. Look at our little bird. Look at the birds, everyone. Oh, he's wearing a Superman. Is it another little bird? Where's the birds? Oh, where's the little woodpeckers? Hey, you're my little bird. Oh, look at her. It's GD's. Oh, is that the woodpecker? It's the woodpecker. Look at the woodpecker.
They're in them.
We might have to replace the bird food if they eat it all. Oh, there's a little bird that landed on the little thing you designed, Daddy. Oh, what about the hummingbird feeder that we threw in the closet? We need the hummingbirds too. What's that little bird? Oh, is that the woodpecker?
Just hanging out. They're hanging out. Look at the birds. Man.
Now we need the bird bath.
You see the birds, buddy? He's jumping.
He's excited about birds.
I get it.
Oh, Dad, look, it's the woodpecker. The woodpecker likes the SquirrelBuster Plus. Look, it has a red spot on its head. I think the woodpecker is the clingy. Oh, there's another little bird. Look, there's a bird.
I hope my thing doesn't break.
Look, the chickadee is playing on the bar you designed, the bird bar. Oh, there's a little blue one. Look, I see a bunch flying around. They're pooping. They're pooping.
I kissed you. I just kissed you. That just kissed you. I kissed you. I kissed you.
They scared the birds away. The birds can hear us. He's so super cute. I saved the Duncraft Wild Bird Superstore.
If he steps down?
I think, yeah, he can reach the ground if it's on the low setting.
Okay, put it on 3. There we go.
I saved my Duncraft Wild Bird Superstore magazine. It says, delight your birds, shop cold weather favorites. And it says sweet treat cafe feeder. So yeah, so when I ordered my SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeder, I received this Duncraft Wild Bird Superstore magazine because I ordered my SquirrelBuster Suet from the Duncraft website. So I saved my Duncraft Wild Bird magazine because in the Duncraft magazine, I noticed it had a little page right here, and it reminds you that your birds need fresh water year-round. And it says you can use a heater to transform your unheated bird bath into a lifesaver. So it's important that you get water for your birds if you put a bird feeder out, because your birds might get dehydrated if they eat all the food and they don't have any water. And this says it has like a built-in thermostat, so they have these little heaters that go inside the bird bath or the bird water to heat the bird water up. So the bird water doesn't freeze, and so the birds can have fresh water. This says it's the longest cord on the market. Oh, so I guess you can, this is just like a heater. So you can buy the heater to put in a bird bath you already have, or if you don't even have a bird bath like us, they sell this little bird bath, bird water, with the heater, and it just says provide the fresh drinking water. Give your birds ice-free water to preen, which helps maintain their feathers. So the little birds, they can frolic around and they can play in the water bath. And you can mount this fresh drinking water bird water bath to your deck, to a 2x4. It says the deck mount bath. Clamps easily to your 2x4 deck rail. And the ground bath has 5-inch legs, so you can get a ground bath that'll even stick outside on the ground in the snow, or you can get the deck clamp because we have the deck. So I really want this bird bath for my birthday. It says heated deck mount bath, $119.95. Oh, it's the same price if you want the deck mount bird bath or the heated ground bath. They're both heated. That one you can just clamp outside and the birds can play in the water, have a fun time. I think we could clamp the little heated deck mount bath to the railing and the birds can play in the water, have a fun time. Because we don't have the water for the birds yet. But maybe we'll get the water for the birds. We'll see. So as you can tell, we've received 4, 5, or 6 bird visitors so far. I think we've received 3 or 4 chickadees eating at our SquirrelBuster Plus. And I think we've received 2 downy woodpeckers. So the downy woodpeckers are the beautiful little soft fluffy birds that we're feeding at the SquirrelBuster Suet over there. The Suet, the peanut, we put the peanut Suet in our sweet feeder, and we put the high energy sweet cake in our SquirrelBuster Suet. And if you watch my other YouTube videos, you can watch me open up the SquirrelBuster Plus and put the bird seed in the SquirrelBuster Plus and open up the SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeder and put it together and put the peanut Suet and the high energy Suet in the SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeder. And you can purchase both of these bird feeders on the Brome Bird Care website. And I will post a link in this YouTube video's description to the Brome Bird Care website where you can buy yourself the SquirrelBuster Plus and the SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeders. Yeah, so just go to bromebirdcare.com, you can click the SquirrelBuster Plus, and then you can click the SquirrelBuster Suet. I actually ended up ordering my SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeder on the Duncraft website because the Brome Bird Care website was sold out of the SquirrelBuster Suite. So I ordered the SquirrelBuster Plus on the Brome Bird Care website. And then I ordered the SquirrelBuster Suet on the Duncraft website just because Brome Bird Care was sold out of the SquirrelBuster Suite at the time I was trying to purchase the SquirrelBuster Suite. And you can also find the SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeder on the Best Nest website. I think it's bestnest.com. And in my YouTube video's description, I will post links to the Brome Bird Care website, the Duncraft website, and the Best Nest website if you're trying to order one of these bird feeders and if you want to do some fun and exciting bird watching at your house. Yeah, but one tip I have for attracting the birds is when we first put our bird feeders out, we put them too close to the house. So I would recommend attaching your bird feeders like we did, like maybe on a pole or a rod. Just get them maybe about 3 feet out from your house, from your window where you want to watch the birds. And even though we mounted our bird feeders close to our windows, no birds have flown into the little glass door windows. So I think the birds are smart and they know not to fly into the glass. Yeah. And I'm trying to think what might have attracted the birds. It rained last night. I see a little chipmunk. It rained last night, so I don't know if that attracted the birds, or one thing we did within the past 2 days is I purchased some real Christmas trees. I got a Leyland cypress Christmas tree, real Christmas tree right here, from Home Depot. I went to Home Depot and I went to the garden section and I got this $29 Leyland cypress real Christmas tree, and then I got this $24 green giant real Christmas tree. And even though our real Christmas trees are inside our house, I put the real Christmas trees near the window where we have the 2 bird feeders, and we know birds like trees, so maybe the real Christmas trees, how they could see the real Christmas trees through the window, attracted the birds to come and visit our SquirrelBuster Plus and our SquirrelBuster Suet. Yay! There's real Christmas trees. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see all the exciting bird visitors that visit us at our house. Like and subscribe, and if you want to learn a little bit more about me, you can go to my website, www.celestialcindy.com. Like and subscribe and have a great day.